I have to ask, right? So you've been at this for a hot minute now. We're about 18 months into it. You've built some stuff that you have to be pretty proud of at this point. Um, how are you feeling? Like, are you still pretty excited and pumped? Like, how does it feel today?
I mean, we're absolutely excited. Like it is every day. I mean, I think we're grateful to be on this journey, and it is an exciting time in the industry. There's, as Avi said, the data is there. And so it's not just about having it, but it's about how we can use it and how we can move ourselves forward. Um, and so to just be at the beginning of that and to be able to have these tools while we're starting the business, I think is we're not having to undo things and to recreate them. We're able to put them in at the ground floor of what we're beginning. And to me, that that's one of the most exciting things is that like it just feels like the right moment to be starting this
Yeah,
business.
absolutely. And I would say um, we're doing it intentionally, like Amy suggested, but we're learning as we go. And so I'm excited about having this information and the tools so that we can do the next one better, right? Like we intentionally built this first store, as our test store, right? To learn and do things differently. We're trying out new things in there all the time, which is really fun. And we're excited to go and grow, like to build a portfolio here in Atlanta so we can serve the entire community and we can um, grow the impact that we have into our communities and go and kind of replicate that experience. So I think we're super excited about that. And every time we talk to a customer, I think it's validating, right? Like whether they're enjoying the in-store experience, or I was just talking to a commercial client the other day that you think everybody has access to laundry service, right? Like what are you providing different? Well, they had a laundry solution. I wouldn't call it a service. They had a laundry solution, but this woman had piles and piles of things in her office because it just coordinating all these different things that she needed was just another thing she had to worry about, and that echoes in the residential world too. And so we just find validation like at every step, and it's been very encouraging as we keep going.
Yeah, that's super exciting for you guys. I mean, I think it's, you learned pretty quickly that it's not a passive business, which is why, which is why it was sold to you anyway. So it really kind of worked
Exactly.
out perfectly.